Hi and welcome to this Key Learning Initiative video. Today's topic is straight line geometry and we're talking about vertically opposite angles. Before we go any further, please remember to like and share the video. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so that you can get more and more content. Let's get going with today's topic. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Now, what are vertically opposite angles? Well, if we look at our diagram, we have two straight lines that cross each other or intersect in the middle. And so we have angle 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, vertically opposite angles. Let's look at our angle over there. It's in blue. What we want to ask is what is directly opposite this angle. Not sort of opposite, but directly opposite. Can you see that angle 1, which is now a blue circle, is vertically opposite? I have now got a red dot or circle. Which angle is vertically opposite? Can you see angle 3? And so my red dots or circles are vertically opposite and my blue dots and circles are vertically opposite. Now, our abbreviation for vertically opposite angles, vert op angles. That's all you need to write. You don't need to write vertically opposite angles are equal. The abbreviation that we need is vert op angles. Let's do some examples and put them into practice. Example 1. Determine the magnitude or size of y1. Well, we have our diagram, again two lines that cross and they intersect at point y, and we've got 110 degrees and then we've got y1. So let's work with this example. My statement and reason. Now my statement can be y1 equals 110 degrees. How do I know that? Well, vertically opposite angles. Can you see that y1 is directly opposite 110 degrees? And that's all we have to do for this question. Very short and sweet. Let's look at example 2. Determine the magnitude or the size of angle AEC. AEC. Let's have a look. Our statement and reason. I can say that angle AEC equals 92. Can you see that angle AEC is directly opposite the 92 degrees that we have in our diagram? So then my reason must be vertically opposite angles. Hopefully you can see it's relatively easy. Example 3. Determine the magnitude or the size of O1. And there is our diagram. Now all of a sudden we don't have two lines that are intersecting, but we have three lines that are intersecting at point O. And what the question wants to know is how big is O1? Let's look at our statement and our reason. Now how do we work out which angle we're talking about? For some people they can see it straight away, but for a lot of people it's actually quite difficult. So we want to know the size of O1. So what we do is we take the lines that surround O1. It's that one and that one. Alright, and now it becomes very evident which angle is exactly opposite angle O1. Can you see it's 52? Let's write down our statement. O1 equals 52. How can we say that? Vertically opposite angles. So it doesn't matter if you have 3, 4, 5, 6 lines that intersect or cross at a point. The one that is exactly opposite is your vertically opposite angle. If you get confused, sometimes use a highlighter to help. But it's actually not that difficult. Example 4. Determine the magnitude or size of x. And here we have our diagram. We have 2x almost at the top, and we have 3x minus 20 degrees almost at the bottom. And we have two lines that cross or intersect. Let's get going. So, statement and reason. Now, what can you tell me about the 2x and the 3x minus 20? Hopefully you can see that they're opposite each other. Are they directly opposite each other? Yes, they are. And so let's look at our statements. We can say 2x equals 3x minus 20 degrees. 2x equals 3x minus 20 degrees. How can we say that? Vertically opposite angles. And now we need to solve for x. So we want to get all the x's on the left hand side, and so we subtract 3x from both sides. And so 2x minus 3x gives us negative x, and that equals negative 20. Now I don't want negative x, I need x, and so I times or divide by negative 1, which means I get x equals 20 degrees. And that's my answer. So thank you for watching this Key Learning Initiative video on straight line geometry, specifically vertically opposite angles. Please remember, if you haven't already, to subscribe to my channel. Please remember to like and to share this video, and I hope it has been helpful. I will get more and more content up, so please do keep watching.